Alright guys, finally getting the GTR washed after like, honestly I don't even remember. It's been forever. But it definitely needs it. And the new wheels, it's gonna look so sick. Oh, he's washing the E92. Even though today might be the last day with the wrap. The last car wash of it being red. That's so sad. Look how good it looks when it's clean. DTR looks freaking sick with the new wheels and the car's actually clean. Damn, this shit looks crazy. But now you can see all the sparkles in the paint. I love when this car's clean. It looks so good, dude. Dude, why does it look so clean? This shit looks way too clean. Oh, I shouldn't take off the wrap, huh? I should keep the red. This is the sickest color red I think that they sell. Bro, it makes me not even want to take it off. That's why I did it. I think that's why I was keeping it dirty. So that I would want to take off the wrap, but now that it's clean, I don't want to take it off. It's changing my mind.
I was like, man, this is probably the last time I'm gonna wash this.
It was super dirty, huh? But the wrap looks perfect on camera. But in person, there's a bunch of little imperfections. It's peeling. The back's kind of faded, just like the Tiffany. I think because of the flames. Okay, we got a little scratch right here from my cat. Then we got this all messed up. You guys remember that from a video. Everyone, go make sure you guys follow them. Upscale. Look at it, they're putting in work both the cars. And they washed my mom's car. So go follow them. Hit them up if you guys need a car wash. Damn. What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. So now I'll start the vlog. Earlier, like I mentioned, today is the last day with the red wrap. And I'm really sad. Look who it is. Damn, you even wore the shirt? Where's my shirt at? Dude, I just started the vlog.
It kind of looks good.
Should I keep it?
When I pulled up, I was just like, damn, that's fucked up though.
I'm gonna mention that right now, but like I said, today is the last day with the wrap. Now that I see the car and it's actually today, I'm kind of sad.
Hey, it looks nothing like it looks in videos.
In pictures,
like
videos, nothing else. Yeah, in real life, it's really bad. I've had this wrap for like over 2 years now, and there's literally scratches everywhere. It's peeling everywhere. Look at this. Peeling right there. Look at this. Dude, the wrap is messed up. We hear the scratches. The hood has like swirls and everything. I don't know if you guys can tell. But yeah, the wrap's pretty beat up. It needs a new wrap. Anyways, I was not planning on wrapping my car anytime soon. But Manny is the one who kind of convinced me. So he's super busy. Like it's almost impossible to get an appointment with him. But he, like 2 months ago, he was like, you know what? I'm just gonna make you an appointment. So no matter what, you can't back out. We are wrapping your car that week, no matter what. So this week came by super fast. You like my garage?
What is this?
The merch warehouse, bro.
Damn.
You like them? They're hard, huh? Looks sick, dude. So yeah, Manny kind of convinced me and he just scheduled a date and now we're wrapping it. There's no turning back. It's time. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be sad. I'm just as sad, trust me. It's very, very sad. But yeah guys, the next color should be sick. We already picked the color and I hope you guys like it because it's gonna be pretty crazy. Manny doesn't like the new color.
No.
Why don't you like it?
I don't like it, man. I don't know why.
It's gonna be sick, bro. Hopefully people like it.
It's gonna be sick wrap.
Sick wraps. And also, a lot of people wanted me to just keep it black, like the original paint. If you guys are new to the channel, the car is black underneath.
Oh my god, dude, look at that.
A lot of people wanted me to just keep the original paint for a while, but if you guys are new to the channel or you don't remember, the car paint is pretty beat up. You're gonna see it right now, bro. I don't think you've ever seen it, huh?
I've never seen it.
It looks really, really bad. The whole front bumper is like primered, and the side skirt I think is gonna be primered on this side. I think this is the side skirt.
That's the same as mine. My front bumper is blue, my side skirt.
Yeah, like the body panels are all mismatched colors. It's gonna be pretty ugly, really ugly, but tomorrow we're already gonna start the wrap, so it's not gonna be ugly for long. The rear bumper I think has a bunch of primer right here too, so you guys are gonna get to see. It's like the car had makeup on, bro. I covered the reflectors So there's a big ass primer spot right here too.
Oh, you did?
Like I filled them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the GoPro as a time lapse so we can film the entire thing. And I'll keep you guys updated here and there. Damn. Let's go back.
Let's go back.
There's no going back,
There's
dude.
no going back now, bro.
Oh, the
Damn,
car?
wait, your car's like navy blue. It's not even
I
black.
told you it's not black. It's like a bluish midnight blue.
46.
I hate this color, bro.
Yeah, I don't like it either.
It's too blue. Oh my god, guys. The hood's almost gone. It looks pretty sick with the black hood. Bro, the car is really blue. I forgot how blue this paint is. But we got the hood off, the fender, the door. I told you. Oh my god. And look how ugly the paint is. Now this whole side is pretty much done. Manny's working on the hood. Almost got the rear bumper.
This is the trunk, my guy.
I'm in the trunk. Dude, my fingers are done. This shit hurts, bro. We'll flip the car around so that this side is in the sun now, and hopefully it'll be easier to unwrap, but almost all of it's done. It looks so naked, bro. We had to sand it all down and prep it before we wrapped it red, so now it looks ugly. Look at it, the whole side skirt, if you guys remember, peeled off all the paint, so we had to sand that down as well. So yeah, the car is all mismatched colors, unfortunately. The front bumper is all like matte black and sanded down. It looks pretty sick all black, I'm not gonna lie. That looks sick, dude. Too bad it wasn't messed up. I really would rock it all black for a while. Blue, not black. Oh, but guys, it's a pain in the butt. If you're gonna unwrap a car, just have someone else do it.
Have Manny do it.
Have Manny do it. Dude, your hands get all messed up. Look at it. My fingers, I don't know if you guys can even see. My fingers are peeling. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Oh shit. We're like 2 hours in and the car is pretty much done. There's a bunch of just random red pieces, but we can't get to it because it's like underneath the carbon fiber. But tomorrow when Manny starts taking apart the car, those will be easier to get to. Also like underneath here, obviously we can't get under there until we start disassembling the car. There's a bunch right here underneath the tail light, but all of this is gonna come off when we wrap the car. We're done. Look at all this, guys. Dude, it seems like there's so little.
That was the whole car.
That's the whole car right there. It took about 2 hours, exactly, like on the dot, 2 hours to do this. This angle looks sick, all blacked out. That shit looks hard, dude. Look at it all blacked out. Damn, that's making me want to do it all black. Look, it kind of matches the GTR, dude. I can't believe we did that, bro. I did not expect to take off my wrap anytime soon. Alright guys, Manny had an idea that I send some of you guys this wrap. I don't know, maybe some of you guys will actually want a piece of it. If you guys have been watching the channel for a long time, I mean this has been on the car for 2 years. And if you guys have been on the channel for 2 years, I think it would be pretty cool to have a piece. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna try to figure out a way, but I think I might throw in some pieces of wrap in the next merch or something like that. But that shit low-key looks ugly, I'm not gonna lie. From far it looks good, but up close, this thing is ugly, dude. There's no trim on it. We took off the trims.
Oh, what the heck? You have a Bummies exhaust?
Yep. You didn't know that?
Yeah, no.
Yep. Alright guys, I'm editing the video right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's very, very sad that I took off that wrap. I cannot even believe I did that today. It doesn't even feel real. Maybe tomorrow when I walk outside and my car's black. Comment down below and guess what color we're doing next on the E92 M3. Maybe a different shade of red again, maybe black. I don't know, it could be something crazy. I already chose the color. I think you guys are gonna like it. A lot of you guys are gonna like it. Manny said he should have it done in about a week, so in a week from now you guys will get to see the new wrap color, the new reveal. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys go follow Manny right now at Sick Wraps. He helped out a lot today and he's also gonna be wrapping the car all by himself. I'm gonna be helping him as much as I could, but it's literally just him doing the whole thing. So shout out to Manny. He's gonna kill it. I can't wait to see it when it's done. It's gonna be so sick. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.